Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Codes and this is Khushbakht. So today we are gonna discuss about the Listview Builder and GridView Builder. So let's start it. Okay, this is our code and let me run it. And okay, it has only app bar and a body. And so what we are gonna do, we will start implementation of our list view. So type list view and remove these brackets. Dot builder, it has item builder and it takes build context comma int index, and then curly brackets open and close. Now we will return our widget which we want to build in a list. So type return, and I want a list style, so list style. And now leading. Okay, so leading is basically a widget which will be in the start of the list style. It takes any widget, icon, text. I have selected icon, icons dot list, and then okay, it's giving me error. Okay, okay, I just forgot colon. No, okay, fine, I have forgot the bracket close. Okay, now trailing, and it takes any widget. I have selected text, so let's type software codes and let me give it some good style text style. And I want to change the color, so colors dot green. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now I have done some styling of the text, and I want to give the title, and it's text again, and I want to print the index, so $sign and index, and that's it. Let me run it. So okay, it's giving me errors. What? Yeah, I forgot the item count, so we have to mention the item count, and suppose it's 10, and run it again, and again errors. Let me check our code. What is the error? Okay. Fine. It's giving me unbound height. Okay, so what we are gonna do, we will just remove this and wrap this in single child scroll view, and again run it, and again errors. Yeah, okay, we will just remove this column, remove, right click, and it's here. Okay, remove this column and run again, and again errors. Okay, yeah, one thing I want to tell you, that list view, whenever we are implementing the list view builder, we don't need to wrap this in a single child scroll view, so we have to remove this as well. Yeah, now run, and that's it. Yeah, okay, let me show it to you. So this was the first one. Icon is the leading, the center one is our title, and the last one is our trailing. And let implement inkwell. So if you want to implement some clickable function, so you have to wrap it in inkwell, and there's a method on tap, and I want to simply print the index. So, and bracket open, and it's done. Okay, so whenever, where is it? Yeah, it's here. So whenever I will click on this, you can see it has printed the index 7. If I have clicked on index 9, it has printed the index 9 and index 0. So this is how you can implement the on tab. So for example, if you want to get the data from the list, so what you have to do is you will make a list, and in list you will have some values, and that's it. Okay, I think this is enough. And now in count, what you will do, where is the count? It's here, item count. So list dot length, so it will implement it. It will fetch the length of this list. And now index, so it will print the values in the given list. And where is it? It's here. Now you can see that it has printed the values in the given list. Now this is our list, and this was a simple Listview Builder. So now we are implementing the GridView Builder. So let me comment it, and comment, Control Shift and that comment key, and that's it. And now we will write GridView dot builder, and it has two arguments. The one is item builder and the second is grid delegate. Grid delegate takes sliver grid delegate with fixed cross axis count. Basically this is used to give a delegate view to your widgets, children's. And I have typed cross axis count and cross axis spacing and main axis spacing. Okay, so cross axis count is like how many widgets, children widgets, you want to display in your cross axis. And this is done. And now coming to item builder, so it is same just like we have implemented in Listview Builder. So build context, and context comma int index curly brackets open and close and return. It will return the child widget. So in the previous example we have implemented the list style. Now I want to implement some other widget, so I just simply want to implement the text, and I will write what should I write? Okay, let's display the value. So value in index this is simply dollar sign curly brackets open and close and list, and in this list it will display the value in the selected index. So now you can see that it has, okay, there is again error. What is the reason of this error? Yeah, we have not implemented again the item count. So list dot length, and that's it, we have resolved our error. So let's run it, and now you can see the error is gone. And this was our simple grid view. So for example, if you want to display 5 widgets in a row in your cross axis, so you can just put as many number you want to display. And this was all about the GridView Builder. If you have any question in this lecture, you can ask in the comment box, and if you liked my videos, so just subscribe my channel. Thank you.